Okay guys, looks like we have a working light box now. Ran into a little hiccup with the old design. Now I have a new design and I'll let you see what it looks like. Keeping in mind this is in full light inside. There we go. Looks pretty good. Lights up quite nicely. Also includes a remote. Ha ha ha. And it's USB powered, so you can figure what I used. But anyway, these light kits will be built by me and offered by me with the 4x6 LithoPhane and the 5x7 LithoPhane, and 6x8 once I get to that size. Also has many options of color available. Anyway, figured I'd give you guys an update.